What is up, you guys? Brooke here. Okay, so this is in a different location than what I normally shoot with. I am in front of my sparkly fairy lights and stuff in my office because I didn't really want to shoot at my desk today. My desk is really messy. It's really rainy outside. I'm in a mood for not being in the mood to clean, which is why we are going with another shooting location. And since we are shooting in a new location here for today's video, we are going to be, or not we, I am going to be opening up a package that I got from my secret authortuber NaNoWriMo survival Kit pal, Kevin over at Kevlandia or / Kevin the writer. He likes to go by Kevin the writer nowadays. But last year, Kevin over at Kevin the writer had come up with this kind of NaNoWriMo survival kit authortuber collab, and I was part of it last year, and I'm a part of it again this year. And so I'm so excited for it this year because I actually know who my person is, and I don't know if I want to give it away just yet of who my person is. And I'm really excited because this person knows me oh so well since my box is covered in Disney stickers. But yeah, Kevin orchestrated this whole thing with lots of other authortubers where everyone else is going to be opening up care packages for NaNoWriMo from other authortuber buddies of ours. And so this video is going to be in a playlist with other people in that playlist. Go check out all the other videos to see what other people got for their kit packages. And also, before I do open up Kevin's package that he sent me, I am going to be listing down below and also guess on screen, here on the screen, but I'm going to be doing lots of live streams with awesome people and also just on my own. So check out those live stream dates on the screen and also below in the description if you all are wanting to participate in writing sprints for NaNoWriMo. Okay. Okay, so far, I see this. I don't know what all is inside exactly besides Star Wars stuff. So we're off to a good start. Before I see what all is inside, let me try and cover up the contents. So that way I can read the letter that was on top. There's even a little sticky note here that says lift for spoilers. So I won't lift that just yet. I'm gonna twist my chair back facing you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna read this here. Brooke, I'm sorry this took so long. How did it take so long? I thought it was right on time. One of the things I was going to get you fell through last minute. I hope you love all the stuff in the box and absolutely demolish Nano. Thank you so much, you too. I wish the same. P.S. I threw in a bunch of little things I knew you'd like, but there are explanations for some below. Okay, cool. Lifting up for spoilers, or should I not? Should I just go ahead? Should I just go ahead and like, you know, I'm just gonna, you know, see what all's in here so that way it looks like he didn't want to spoil me. Oh crap, I spoiled it to he. It looked like he didn't want to spoil me with things if I didn't want to be spoiled. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what all's inside. And oh my gosh, yay! I love it! This force is strong with this one. Oh my gosh, it's Yoda. Is it like a sticker decal thingy-magob? Oh yes. That can go on water bottles, iPhones, and laptops. I already know that this is gonna go on my laptop because that's like oh so perfect. Because I don't have anything on my laptop and I've been wanting something to go on my laptop for a long time now. So, you know, this fits. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, so they know me so well. They know me so well because I love cosmic brownies. Have you all eaten these? They're divinity because they have chocolate sprinkles on top of chocolate goodness. Okay, so what else is inside? Let me go ahead and put these on the ground. And oh my gosh, it looks like Cheetos that don't have the coloring. But no, it's not. It's just like, what do you call these? It's packing fluffs. I don't know what you call these, but that was dumb because now I have to pick those up. Oh well. Okay, so here's a package. I love how he wrapped this. Okay, my person who I got, I'm sorry. I really didn't like cleverly wrap anything that I got you, so I'm sorry. But yeah, thank you so much, you person. I'm trying not to spoil who you are, for wrapping this up cutely. Oh, Abby, please don't eat those. I shouldn't have thrown them all over the ground. What is this? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I was just talking to Abby and now I got a cute little gift for Abby! Ah! It's a catnip pounce fish taco cat toy. But oh my gosh, she loves toys that have catnip in them. That is her jam, that is her thing. So yay, that is perfect for Abby. Okay, so what else? Okay, so here's another cute little package, not package, parcel. I'll be English and say the word parcel. It's already cute. It is. Okay, so I got myself some plastic sticky notes. This is so perfect for writers though. This is plastic sticky notes that are Disney, and it'll be where I can like tab on like little things of paper. That's perfect, and I love this. And oh my gosh, there's more. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's more Disney stuff that I love. Okay, so I got Disney stickers. You guys cannot see this and enjoy this very well because of my ring light. Hold on. I tried turning that down. Maybe that's better. I don't know. Can you guys see them? Look, they're Disney little stickers. Look how cute that is. I love this. So if you all have attended my writing sprint live streams, you'll know that I have my bro, which is my timer that I use. It's like my own little timer that I put up in front of the camera thingamajig, and I have a little sticker on the timer. Well, now I can put these stickers on the timer, which fits so well because everyone knows I'm a Disney fan, like for life. So I can put my Disney princess stickers on bro now. This is great and perfect. And then also a Belle keychain. Anyone who is a Disney person loves Belle. I kid you not, anyone. And now I have a Belle keychain. So let's see here. Ah, I love this. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is great. Okay. Oh my gosh. They know me so well, again, because I love Friends. And so look at these. They're magnetic bookmarks. Look how perfect. Because it's the door picture frame guy that's on their front door. And then, how you doing? Everyone knows who says that. It's Joey Tribbiani, classic line. And then look, it's the little Central Perk logo, and everyone knows the pivot couch scene. If you have not seen the pivot couch scene on Friends, look it up. It's great and funny. And also, we were on a break! That is a classic line, and this is a magnet. So I have nothing of magnets on my fridge. This is going on there. It's going on there. So, yay! That was awesome to get some Friends stuff too. Okay, so one more thing in here. Okay. I just already know what it is. Oh my gosh, yay! Okay. I'm trying to open this. It's a mug. But guys, oh no! Oh no! He even said on the box, oh no! I'm so sad now. He even said on the box, fragile. No! I'm so saddened. He even wrote on the box, fragile, and this is like covered in, this is covered in bubble wrap, and it's broken. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad right now. Oh, but this is so cool. Okay, maybe I can try and fix this. It's a Friends mug, and it's a Central Perk mug. That's cracked, and I'm sorry. I don't mean to show it off like this in this way. Oh, this is so sad. So maybe I can try and fix this. We'll see how I can do that. There's also something else inside the mug. Let me see what it is. And it's still October time, Halloween time. Oh my gosh. I have a Foolish Mortals candle, which if you all aren't a Disney park person, this is a Haunted Mansion candle because they always talk about foolish mortals and stuff on Haunted Mansion ride. And it's the smell of crushed almonds and buttery vanilla. Oh, I love that smell. That's a very soothing scent. You wouldn't think of Foolish Mortals name-called candle would smell so soothing. But everything is so great. Thank you so much to my person. I'm going to reveal who it is here in just uno momento. Oh, I dropped something. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There was something that fell on the floor. Okay, so I'm gonna be wearing this for the rest of Halloween now. It's, you know, just your favorite Winifred Sanderson pin. There, right there. Look at her. I'm gonna put her right there. She's just gonna be doing her. And then also, you guys, I knew instantly what this was. Maybe not everybody would know what this is, but I do because I'm a lost person. And look, it's a Dharma symbol. You guys know what I'm talking about? Dharma. Yeah, Lost is amazing and one of my favorite shows of all time. But yeah, this is great. I'm loving all of this. Let me go ahead and read the notes by my AuthorTube pal buddy thing for this whole thing. Okay, lifting for spoilers now. Brownies, one at the beginning, one at the end, and one in the middle. Ooh, I'll do that. The cup to give you that nano perk, which is a central perk mug. I hate that I had to show that to you all, that it's broken, because it said even on the box fragile. The Dharma button, don't get lost during Nano. That's funny. All the other stuff is just for extra fun. From Kevin. I got Kevin from Kevin the Writer. So I got like the man who started all of this. So thank you so much, Kevin. And also this is hilarious on the bottom of the letter. Can you all see that? And he's like, isn't this us during Nano though? That's totally true. But yes, Kevin, thank you so much. Kevin, these gifts were awesome, were so great. I'm definitely gonna be putting Yoda on my laptop for the decal, and I'm just gonna be using all of it. So I appreciate you so much, Kevin, for putting so much thought into this. Kevin's link, by the way, you all, will be below if you wanna check out his channel, because he was the one who organized all of this collab here. So yeah, thank you so much, Kevin. His link's below. Go check his channel out, because he's always just such a joy to watch. And once again, just a reminder, go check out everybody else's videos that are going around being posted today, because there's gonna be lots of Nano goodies to be looking at what everyone got. And also let me know what you'd put in your NaNoWriMo survival kit, so that way you know you're getting through NaNoWriMo the best you can during this busy month coming up. And if you liked this video, feel free to give me a big thumbs up below. I'd really appreciate it. And also don't forget to subscribe, because I post writing related content every week here. And thank you all so much for stopping by today, and may the words be with you, because the force is strong with this one.